guys, welcome to our channel. This is Christine from Photo USA. And before today's video, I have a good news want to share with you guys. Ta-da! Our new showroom is coming to use. And in the future, we will take videos here. And later, we will have a video to do a room tour. Let's look forward for it. Okay, let's back to this topic. Today I'm going to talk some stainless steel office mugs. You may want to ask me why I need a stainless steel mugs. Nowadays, more and more people care a lot on environmental protection, so use a stainless steel mug is become a trend. And I think use our Sublimation stainless steel mug is a very good choice because it really have many advantages. We use high quality materials, so you don't need to worry ochre mug will do harm for your body. Even young children can feel relieved to use it because we use food grade stainless steel and BPA-free plastic. And the most important reason is all of our mugs was ochre coated. That means you can get a very special mug through your own design, and I think that will make your work time more interesting. As you know, ochre coating is a very high quality coating in the sublimation industry. Our coating is really sustainable, so that means even you wash it every day, the color will not change. Our mug is reusable and long-lasting. You can use it again and again. By choosing our mug can reduce your use for disposable cups as to achieve the goal to protect our beautiful earth. And now let's just have a look for our new arrivals of stainless steel coffee mugs. The first one I want to recommend is this 10-ounce coffee mug. It's the best seller last year. We really sell it a lot, and I think it may be because of its classic design and the good use feeling. You can see we use high quality stainless steel, and this mug is made of double wall vacuum insulation, so it can keep your drinks hot or cold for a long time. And it comes with a spill-proof plastic lid, and we made a wide handle and rim. It's easy for hold it and clean it. And it comes with many different color and size, can meet your different needs, and I think it's really a good choice for your office time. And the next one I want to recommend is this 12-ounce wine cup. This one is really famous recently because it's fashion design, and we create many different surface look on it. We have rainbow color, grading color, glitter color, sparkling color, and classic full color. And the size is really suitable to hold it in your hand. And different surfaces also have different color. You can choose it as you wish to catch the fashion. And next, I want to introduce some bigger tumblers. First, I want to recommend this 20-ounce skinny tumbler. As you can see, it has a very classic shape. And we also create many different surface look like wine cup. As you can see, updated version will keep the rim part as original stainless steel, make your daily use more healthy. And for the lid, we make it as a sliding lid. The silicone design can make it leak-proof. And for this lid, you also have another way for use. You can use with our stainless steel straw. Next, I'm gonna talk about some cone-shaped tumblers and special-shaped tumblers. For cone-shaped tumblers, I will introduce two different styles, and they all come in two different colors. The first one is a sliding lid, and it has a hidden design. They have a built-in opener on the bottom. And next one is flip open lid. When you drink, you can put the lid here, and that will make your drink more comfortable. Last, I want to talk about some special shaped tumblers. They are more suitable for men. And this one, you can put it on the cup holder in your car. And when you go to the gym, that's also a very good choice. And when you watch games, these two will be a good partner with you. You can use them to drink some cold beers. That's all for today's introduction. All of our mugs have ochre coatings, so you can print your own design to make it be special. It's also cool to go coffee shop with your own mug, and that's very environmental friendly. Just like Photo USA always been committed to environmental protection, we have cooperative relationship with environmental protection organizations for many years. When you use our mugs, you will also do these meaningful things with us together. I hope you can join us, cause together we are all strong. Next video, we will introduce for outdoor stainless steel products. Please subscribe us. Thank you. See you next time.
Please don't say when